guys, let's find out how to change the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots and go to the settings. Then go to the privacy search and services. Scroll down to page and click on address bar and search. Here you can change your default search engine in the browser. I'll change it to a Google. Okay, it's working. If you can't find your preferred search engine here, you can add your favorite search engine. Go to the manage search engine, then click add. Type the name of your search engine here and paste your search engine's URL here. Then press add. This is how it's working. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.